Krémes, also called cream cake, is very, very classic Hungarian cake. It has layers of puff pastry and like a light vanilla custard. And it's just a timeless classic here in Hungary and enjoyed throughout generations. Hungarian Krémes. Whoa. I really like the vanilla cream. It's people said this is the best in Hungary, and I finally understand why. Wow. The cream has lots of vanilla, lots of sugar, but it's mixed, and it's a really good combination. And I also like this puff pastry kind of thing. It's very soft. And it really doesn't have a lot of taste, but the vanilla cream makes all the difference. I mean, it's called Krémes, cream cake, creamy. So I guess like the idea of this cake is the cream, and I really like it. Wow, it's actually the first time I ever tried, and I've been here in Hungary for 2 years. It's amazing. So my honest opinion about this is that the cream has a lot of taste, mild, rounded, lots of vanilla, lots of sugar, but not too much sugar, so it's not like hurting your teeth sweet, but it's more mild. And damn, this is like 8 out of 10 of all cakes in the world I've had. Wow.